1101. Update on the 405 reconstruction on Beach Blvd. Here's a new bridge. See right there's a new bridge. I'm not sure this bridge will be demolished. I think this bridge will be demolished. Here's an update on the Beach Blvd on the 405 reconstruction. Built in 1964. See? I think the original part will be demolished. But this is video 1101. See, oops, there are the cars. See that vertical clearance sign says 15 feet, 0 inches. The same thing on the opposite direction. See, here's a ramp. Just make sure no cars behind me, so I won't. Okay, that's gonna be it for 1101.